In this year's 8th class English holiday homework, we had to make a comic strip of our English chapter number 1, The Three Questions, and our classmates of 8th C presented it beautifully. This task helped us to enhance our creativity, imagination, and understand the chapter better. We also learned how to depict a story in a pictorial form to show it in an attractive way. It also helped us to write dialogues and interaction between two or more people. We also learned to demonstrate a big story in short and amusing form.
It was an entrancing activity which helped us to utilize our holidays in a better way. It assisted us to get to know more about comic strips, like how they are made and what's their use. We practiced key skills like reading, writing, speaking, and communicating.
This homework gave us an idea that we can use comic strips to show our presentations and stories in a beneficial way, which can also help in brainstorming ideas. This activity was very effective as well as fascinating because it engaged students in meaningful learning experiences. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। मैं दिव्यांश माथुर कक्षा 8वीं सी से आज आपके समक्ष हिंदी ग्रीष्म अवकाश गृह कार्य के विषय में अपने विचार प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ। जैसा कि आप जानते ही हैं, प्रत्येक वर्ष गर्मी की छुट्टियों में हमें गृह कार्य दिया जाता है, जो हमारे लिए अत्यंत लाभप्रद है। इससे हम समय का सदुपयोग तो करते ही हैं, पढ़ाई के अलावा अन्य जानकारी भी प्राप्त करते हैं। इस वर्ष गृह कार्य का विषय था बिश्नोई समुदाय का पर्यावरण के प्रति प्रेम। इससे पहले हमने इस समुदाय के बारे में जानने के विषय में सोचा भी ना था, परंतु गृह कार्य मिलने पर हमने इस विषय में पूरी जानकारी प्राप्त की और हमें यह कार्य बहुत रोचक लगा। बिश्नोई समुदाय का पर्यावरण के प्रति इतना गहरा लगाव हमारे मन में एक अमिट छाप छोड़ गया।
नमो नमः। मम नाम दिशिता महेश्वरी। अहम् अष्टमे कक्षायां पठामि। अस्माकं कृते अस्मिन् वर्षस्य ग्रीष्मावकाशगृहकार्यस्य विषयः आसीत् बिश्नोई-समुदायः। अहं वक्तुम् इच्छामि यत् ग्रीष्मावकाशगृहकार्यमाध्यमेन वयं बिश्नोई-समुदायस्य कार्याणां विषये ज्ञातवन्तः। वयं ज्ञातवन्तः यत् बिश्नोई-समुदायस्य जनाः प्रकृतिरक्षकाः भवन्ति। बिश्नोई-समुदायस्य संस्थापकः जम्बोजी महाराजः आसीत्। जम्बोजी महाराजः बिश्नोई-समुदायस्य जनानां कृते 29 नियमानां निर्माणम् अपि कृतवान्। नियमानां पालनं समुदायस्य जनानां कृते अनिवार्यम् अस्ति। पर्यावरणरक्षणाय समुदायस्य कार्येषु खेजोडी ग्रामस्य वृक्षरक्षा।
Hello, I am Anvi Gupta.
And I am Devan Jaggi from 8D. Our creativity based topic in holidays for year 2021 was on Bishnoi culture. Bishnoi is a sect found in western Thar Desert and northern states of India. They follow a set of 29 principles given by Guru Jambeshwar. Of these 29 tenets, 10 are directed towards personal hygiene and maintaining good basic health, 7 for healthy social behavior, and 4 tenets to the worship of God. 8 tenets have been prescribed to preserve biodiversity. These include a ban on killing animals and felling great trees, providing protection to all life forms. Project based on this was to collect the photographs of birds and animals of any 7 varieties. As a part of art integration using geometrical shapes like square, circle, rectangle, etc., draw a picture of any one of these animals or bird on A4 size sheet and find the area of all the shapes of the figure. It is an interesting project. This helped us to go through learning process in a different way and also tested our creativity. We were encouraged to take help from any available digital tool so as to complete this task. This will benefit us by making us more informed about technology. Task also helped us to boost our calculations.
Bishnoi means number 29. which represents 29 principles. Bishnoi is a Hindu religious sect following the 29 principles laid down by Guru Jambeshwar, who is the founder of the sect.
Amongst the 29 principles that he taught, some are devoted to personal hygiene and good health, while some are dedicated to healthy social behavior, worship of God, etc. These 29 principles are followed by utmost respect for nature and its every little constituent, including small insect.
This year's 8th class holiday homework was based on Bishnoi culture. The Bishnoi community, majorly prevalent in western Rajasthan of India, are known for their eco-friendly ethos. This not only ensures environmental frugality but lends them credibility as grassroots environmentalists. For these nature-loving people, protection of the government, wildlife and plants is a part and the parcel of their sacred traditions. The basic philosophy of this religion is that all living things have a right to survive and share all resources. This year's 8th
We were asked to prepare creative bookmarks of the principles among the 29 laid down by Guru Jambeshwar, and the students of class 8C and D presented it beautifully. The principles written on the bookmarks are the ones that the students wish to follow in their life. We have grasped a lot from this holiday homework, which would help us to lead a gracious life. We all have gracefully followed the principles and have adopted many of them in our day-to-day life.
This holiday homework was not just a homework for us, but a learning for a lifetime. It also helped us to get to know more about selfless people like Bishnois who are ready to risk their life for the environment. We have learned to be like Bishnois to at least do the things we can do to help the environment by just planting a small tree. If all of us nature a small sapling, one day it can become a fruit giving tree which can help us a lot.
We were really happy to have this opportunity to show our gratitude towards Bishnois and creativity through this holiday homework. We also got to know the hidden innovations of our classmates. This holiday homework also helped us to utilize our summer vacations and learn a lot.